This is N Seagulls. I'm Pukki.
I'm Puikkonen.
I'm Herman.
I'm Hiltunen.
I'm Remmel. And he's Bertil. And you're listening to Dying Scene Radio.
Dying Scene Radio. Dying Scene, Dying Scene, Dying Scene. Dying Scene, Dying Scene Radio. Dying Scene Radio. Dying Scene Radio. Dying Scene Radio.
It's only appropriate for me to drink beer. And the Rangers suck.
Tampa Swallows. Tampa's actually trading Stamkos.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Everybody from the Rangers goes down to Tampa, and vice versa.
Yeah, I noticed that. They go to Tampa for the weather, but then they realize, let's go to New York so we can win.
What did James say? James said something on the last podcast. He was like, oh, yeah, we were talking about leftover crack. And he's like, oh, they're from Florida. And I go, no, they're from New York. And he goes, that's what I said. They're from Florida. If you're from New York, you're from Florida, too.
Pretty much.
The fuck?
So Google actually fucked something up.
What the hell? Well, we saw that there was something on the camera.
Right. It's actually Google Hangouts.
Has a weird dot there?
Software glitch.
Why is there a weird dot right here? Why is there a weird dot right there? Can you see it at home? Holy diva! What's your favorite song on the whole record?
Probably Thunderstruck.
Thunderstruck, really?
Yeah. The original.
Oh, no.
That was yeah.
The best cover. Why is that? Why do you suppose that the Thunderstruck was what went really super viral? Why was that one the one that went super viral?
I don't know why it went viral. Somebody just picked up on it on...
No, I'm saying, but why did that one in particular go viral and not the other ones? Do you understand?
That was probably the first
because
video.
Look what you just said. You said, out of all of them, I like Thunderstruck the best, and that's like the real song I like the best, right?
Yeah.
Well,
I think the guy who originally found the video and posted it on Facebook, that was the first one he found, and said, holy shit, these guys are good.
They started blowing up in 2014.
Did it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and all this year they came for so we caught it later. It's interesting how viral happens.
Yeah.
You know? But they did a tour of the US.
When?
They just got back, I think. I'm gonna ask him about it.
Yeah. Did they play New York?
Well, I think they did. Yeah, they did. They were in Union Square. They recorded two of the songs, Cemetery Gates, and also another one they recorded in Union Square. You didn't see those? You didn't watch all of it. I watched every single video, basically.
Well, you have to.
Yeah. You don't want to get on here and be an idiot, do you?
Cocksparrow?
Yep. Yeah. If there's one that I could take back, it'd be that one.
Yeah, those are true legends of punk.
Yep.
And you were a moron.
It was basically right up in the same thing with like shitting my pants on Halloween. That's how I feel about the Cocksparrow interview. Cocksparrow.
Sparrow.
Yeah, whatever. Cocksparrow is where it comes from. Hey, me old Cocksparrow. Me old friend. It's interesting how it's friend. That's where cock comes from. It's like cockney. I guess it's like friendly language.
British.
Yeah, I know, but if you really dissect the word cockney, it like friend.
You know the guy from the Cockney Rejects just died not too long ago?
Who, really?
Yeah, I forget his name, the guitar player.
Oh. Oh, there they are.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, how we got? So we have two of you guys.
Jesus Christ, this is
At least
loud.
two.
Wait. Let me get this lowered. Yep. Yeah.
How are you guys, man? So, is this it?
Is this what?
Is this it? Is this who we have on today? I thought you said you're gonna have more. Just two, right?
Well, yeah, we have more, but
To be honest, there's a couple. There's Hiltonen
There you go.
having a smoke right now, but they're
yeah, we are just at the
Johnny.
backstage.
Oh, you guys are backstage right now?
yep. You know it's 9 p.m. in Finland.
That's right. So, we got. I think we got Pookie on, and we got Herman, and we got the ukulele guy that you just showed me over there, Hiltunen.
It's drum guy.
Oh, there's a drum guy. Yeah, there's a drum guy. What's up, man? You play the drumstick brushes.
I'm sorry.
You play the drumstick brushes.
Yeah, I have them with me, of course. Sorry.
Right. Yeah. What is that contraption that you play, man? That box.
It's a cajon.
Cajon.
Cajon. It's from Peru.
That's awesome, man. And you guys have an eclectic array of instruments that you guys use. I mean, you have guitar, but you also, and that whatever you just said, but you have the stand-up bass, the ukulele, the accordion, the banjo. It's a lot of,
We don't have ukulele.
No, that's a mandolin.
Yeah, that's a mandolin.
Oh, it's a mandolin. Okay, I love it. I love being stupid and saying idiotic things.
It comes natural for you.
Yes, it does. Anyway, why bluegrass in Finland? Is it big in Finland? What's the deal, man?
Nothing's big in Finland.
Do you want to rephrase that sentence right there?
Yeah, well, let me get this. Let's give it another go. You have a beer. I do too.
It's 2 in the afternoon, but I figured because we're speaking with Finnish people, it's appropriate to drink a beer.
It is. What are you drinking?
I got the Samuel Adams Winter Lager.
Oh yeah,
I think we've tried that.
That's good stuff. Try
It is-
that this day. We've got these Finnish karput.
Kippis.
How do you pronounce that?
Karahu.
Yeah, that's a bear.
Yeah, man. Honestly, you just caught me on a good day. I usually drink Bud Light, and I love it. So,
Well,
anyway, so bluegrass. Like, what's the deal, man? How'd you guys get into playing the bluegrass music?
Tricky question because I think we don't know. Do you know why?
I don't know. It's not really bluegrass, is it? It's not real bluegrass, at least.
It has some influences from bluegrass, but I think it first started like we had to play in some kind of a team party, this country and western style of music, and we started to make these kind of versions out of popular hit songs, and in a couple of years we found it that it would be funny to play, for example, Trooper or some AC/DC in that style, and then we tried to do it with banjo and
The bluegrass thing came later.
Yeah.
In the beginning, it was more like spaghetti western style, and so it kind of changed.
So it started out as fun, and then it turned into a thing, right?
It started out as a side project. It was a side project for maybe 4 years, but it sort of took off. We're not
Right.
complaining.
It's still fun.
Now, the first gig you played was at a party.
Kind of.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a restaurant gig in Finland. A kind of a food restaurant, really. Not even a drinking place.
Mexican food. That's
Now, okay, so the band members, we got. I can't even pronounce you guys' names. Can you guys introduce yourselves?
You actually didn't do a half bad job pronouncing our names. You got them about right. I would say you got mine about right, at least.
So we're missing Remmel.
Yeah, well, That was some shit pronunciation right there. That's Remmel.
Now, all right. So who the fuck is Steve?
There is no Steve. That's a myth.
Now, all right. So you guys got your name from Steven Seagal. Is that it? It's a play off of that, kind of, right?
Yeah, it kind of is.
Are you a big Steve Seagal fan? Sorry, what?
I'm not admitting anything. Hey,
Pleading the
by the way,
fifth.
which one of you guys is Bobby Pickles and which one is Bob Noxious?
No, Bob Noxious quit the show a couple weeks ago. I'm experimenting with a couple different co-hosts. This is my business associate Tone Loki. He's just sitting in because, being a huge hockey fan, and you guys are from Finland, so I figure, hey, have him on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, who was in your opinion the greatest Finnish NHL player?
The greatest Finnish NHL player.
Was it Jori
Jari
Kari?
Curry.
It's Jari Kurri. Yeah, it is.
Jari Kurri or Teemu Selanne?
It's Teemu Selanne. I'll go old school on you guys. Reijo Ruotsalainen.
Well, why not? Why not? I mean, he was one of the first, wasn't he?
Yeah, 83, I believe.
Yeah. Just after Pelle Lindström. Or Lindfors.
Yeah. That's when I started getting into hockey.
Now,
He was good. He was good.
so all right. So why heavy metal? Why'd you decide to do the? You guys are huge heavy metal fans. Is that the thing? I mean, I see that you guys cover AC/DC, Metallica, Iron Maiden, Dio, Black Sabbath, Led Zeppelin. There's one departure from heavy metal, the Beastie Boys, which you covered for the AV Club, and then I also believe you guys did a Lady Gaga cover or something like that. You don't cover any punk rock, but would you ever consider covering any punk tunes? Or is that just too easy? Is that too easy?
Well, let's just say that there's new stuff coming for the next album, and we'll be playing some of the tunes on our upcoming live gigs. So, yeah, we're doing punk at some point.
I think that every one of us used to be huge heavy metal fans, at least when we were younger. And nowadays, it's a bit different. We like different kind of music styles, and that's why we do other stuff also than heavy metal. But heavy metal started to go quite big in our hands, so that's why.
Well, 80s metal was the best anyway.
The Beastie Boys song came from AV Club because they asked us to do the.
Yeah, that was just
Beastie Boys
out of
song.
order.
Yeah.
Out of order. Shit. That didn't come out right.
So it was different though. You had to learn like rap lyrics and all that stuff.
Yeah.
How was it?
Did a bad job.
No, you did a good job. Now, you grew up speaking English from a young age, 2 languages.
You sort of. You Americans would know you've imposed your culture to half the world, so you are to blame, kind of. We have
Yeah.
American movies, American music, American everything.
Yeah, it really is. I mean, it's crazy. Because I try to put myself in your viewpoint. Trying to think of like being from another country and then having these influences from this other country that are so in your face all the time, or whatever. Right? I mean,
Oh, well, yeah, I guess your equivalent for that would be Mexican culture.
no.
No.
You don't
British, if anything.
Hey, tell me about the logo. The logo, is that of a seagull's poop dropping?
Yeah.
Nice. Hey, was that a poop dropping on the banjo player? I'm sorry. What's your name? Was
Goddamn pigeon.
on your hat, man, during the Pantera Cemetery Gates in Union Square, New York City? Was that a poop drop?
Yeah, the pigeon poop just like few seconds before we shot the video. So.
Yeah,
Welcome
that's
to New York.
perfect, man. Right? That was awesome.
What can you do? It's nature.
Well, I was thinking that you should always have a poop dropping on your hat, man, as just like just to add to the performance and everything, right? Almost like the seagull hit you, also.
Yeah, why not?
You should think about it, man. You could have it like screen printed. It could look pretty real.
Yeah, you're right.
But anyway, speaking of these little shticks that you have, Hill Tunin over there, the mandolin accordion player.
Yep.
What's up, man? You're always what's the deal, man? You always come out last, and also you always wear something weird or crazy on your head, and also you always have this serious look on your face.
Yeah,
Like,
why not? I'm from Finland. Come on, give me a break. Of course, I'm serious.
Is that true? That's the Finnish culture. Everybody's serious.
I think,
Yes.
yeah, mostly, yeah.
Yeah. So is that? Did you guys start taking off in Finland first before the wave hit America? These viral videos.
It happened so fast that
Yeah, we didn't really take off.
yeah, we didn't. I think
Still haven't.
Yeah, yeah. Well,
You guys are huge
most
here.
popular in the States and like Europe, like German and England and Finland are like Z. That's
Yeah,
too
hey,
much.
if you need a quick tour, this is kind of a regular small backstage in Finland. That's basically.
Clean up some.
Oh, this is awesome, man. Hell yeah. Sweet. And so, hey, man, you play the flute too? What the hell? Is this the most talented dude in the band right here?
No, I'm like a man like a triathlon. I try to do everything, but everything goes like not so. Yeah, you know. Pool swimmer and pool running and.
Were you a Weird Al Yankovic fan?
Pardon?
Were you a Weird Al Yankovic fan by any chance?
He is. He is.
Yeah,
We all are.
we all are. Yeah.
You called it, man.
I did.
How'd you catch that? How?
Honestly, I picked up on the voice on a couple of the songs. I'm like, this sounds like Weird Al. Plus the accordion.
Really?
Yeah.
So crazy. Okay, so you guys use condenser mics to record your videos, I see. What was the technique used to record Farm Machine? Was the record done in a traditional studio environment? Can you tell me a little bit about the recording process?
We played together, but in separate rooms mostly.
I think the drums were in a separate room, but the rest of the guys were in the same space, and we played it.
Except the bass.
Except the bass, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But still, we played it live. Added the solos and the singings afterwards. So
Yeah, so you had yourselves all mic'd up individually. Did you guys do it in like did you do it in like a farmhouse or one of those crazy cabins like from the videos?
We are making videos like,
Like
videos.
when you recorded the record, where did you record it at? Did you record it at like a weird house, or
It was made in our hometown and in just
It's
just
home studio.
a rehearsal room.
Yeah.
There used to be a youth center or something like that.
Okay, well, go into the videos. You do. Tell me about the making of "You Shook Me All Night Long." That video, because it was a little different than your traditional live performances that you guys normally do.
Yeah.
Yeah, the thing is, we shot the whole thing with the female hockey players a couple of weeks before the rest of the video. That was kind of fun. We hadn't really skated, hadn't really played hockey in years. And it's been, 16 years since Remmel last took on his goalie gear and everything.
And they actually were the national team players of the Finnish female national hockey team. So they were really talented and fast.
But the unfortunate thing is that the second part of the filming took place in his home farm, and I had the worst hangover in 2 years before that. And then after recovering from that, discovered that I had horrible diarrhea and fever and stuff like that, and then it's off to the mini skis and skiing behind the tractor. It was kind of fun.
So that's a real thing. You guys really have farms?
Yeah,
Sort of.
Some of us.
he has.
We grew up in the countryside, but it's a little different now.
Yeah. You guys just toured the States? Is that right? This year?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, that's true.
In September.
How did you like that?
Oh, it was good.
Was it your first time? Was it your first time to the States?
Well,
It was.
as a band, at least.
Has anybody been there before without the band?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, man. So
Not
you
that
guys,
many times, but still.
Yeah, but it was 20 years ago, so can't compare really. So,
hell yeah. So tell me about like what's coming up. What are you guys planning on doing now? Like 2016 is going to happen here. You guys are. You said that you're going to produce another record, right? You guys got that coming out. Are you going to be coming back to the States?
Yeah, in March.
yeah.
Yeah, hopefully nothing's set yet, but it's happening. Yeah.
Hey, what is the one song that you are fucking sick of playing? Because listen, it's obviously okay. You guys, obviously the viral. I think. I mean, I'm not like a rocket scientist scholar here, but people are on YouTube. They're searching for the favorite tunes. They find a cover.
Right.
They watch it. That contributes to how these guys became viral, right?
Yeah, it does.
It does.
I think that's how Thunderstruck was found.
And you guys, I assume, are gonna keep it that way, right? You're not gonna really branch out and do like, I mean, are you gonna? Do you think you're gonna do some original stuff, or what? Or are you gonna keep on?
Yeah, we are just writing our own songs, and let's see what happens. If we get a couple of songs.
Yeah, if you're lucky.
Still, I think the second album will be mostly covers.
Yeah, of course, because it's what works right now, right? And you found like,
We heavy metal and hard rock, and yeah.
yeah, absolutely. Are there any songs that you're just fucking sick of playing at this point, though?
Are you asking that? Are we sick and tired of playing Thunderstruck everywhere?
Well,
Not really. At
Not
this
yet.
point, we are still really grateful to play all the songs and have these awesome crowds all over the world. So
not really, but the answer is we are getting there.
Good answer.
All right, guys, thank you so much.
All right, thanks.
Thank you very much. Bye bye. Ciao ciao. Adios.
bye.
Epralla, vittu.
Dying Scene Radio.